How do you start your SIP, online or otherwise? One mode of starting an SIP is by going down to the office of a mutual fund company, filling all the paperwork and getting started there by issuing a check. Another way of doing it is doing it through the apps of the funds or doing it on their website, which I don't think makes sense, which means supposing you want to do 4 different funds, you have to go to 4 different websites to start the investment. A concise and a crisp and a easy way of doing it is through apps such as the MyWay Wealth app, where all you need to do is get onto the app, register one time, which is essentially meaning completing your KYC or know your customer compliance, which is mandatory to get started on investing into mutual funds, and registering your other details such as your bank, etc. What you next have to do is plug in the amount that you want to invest and plug in your risk profile. It is essential that you choose a risk profile that is comfortable for you. Once you have done this, what the system does, it is recommends funds to you which are best suited to the amount that you want to invest and to the risk profile that you have chosen. If you are comfortable with these funds, you can go ahead with them. If you want to make certain changes in them, you also have the option of making changes and replacing the funds that are recommended to you. The beauty of this app is also the fact that there are other options for investment. So if you want to have a first mover advantage in terms of investing in certain mutual funds, you are also recommended NFO'S in case you want to invest in them. You can also buy your plain vanilla term insurance through the MyWay Wealth app, and you can also invest for the purpose of retirement into the national pension system through the MyWay Wealth app. The MyWay Wealth app provides you a plethora of options under the umbrella of mutual funds for you to invest in. Also, the customer support system provides solution to your queries immediately and resolution to any issues that you might face. In case you want to stop your SIPs, you want to take a break from your investments, in case you want to withdraw your money, all of that can be done very easily through the app. Hey incredible investors, if you learned something new today, please like this video. If you would like to share what you've learned with your friends, family or others who could benefit from this learning, please share our video. And if you would like to stay in touch with more personal finance topics on how to manage your money better, please subscribe to our channel. Until